Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to fix Spotify date of birth something went wrong problem. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So if you guys are having the problem with your Spotify date of birth, the first thing that you guys want to check is your internet connection. Make sure your internet speed is more than 5 Mbps. If you have less than 5 Mbps, then it might be the cause of problem that your date of birth of Spotify is not working. So make sure you have more speed than 5 Mbps to solve this problem. And the another thing that might cause the problem is if you guys have already tried to change your date of birth of Spotify account 3 or 4 times a day, then that might be also the reason that the Spotify date of birth is not changing anymore. So make sure you haven't changed your Spotify date of birth more than 4 or 3 times. Now let me teach you guys how you can change your date of birth in Spotify. So the first thing that you guys want to go is on the spotify.com. So once you are in the homepage of Spotify, there should be a login icon on your right side of your screen over here. Once you have found that, click on it. So once you have clicked on login, there should be a screen like this. What you guys want to do is enter your email address and then your password and then click on login over here. So once you have logged into your account, click over here and then click on accounts. And inside account, what you guys want to do is scroll down until you see edit profile. You want to click on edit profile and then there should be an option for date of birth. So select the date that you want to change and then click on save profile over here. So once you have clicked on save profile after you have changed your date of birth, then your Spotify date of birth will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.